I'm in Brazil's Amazonas and I'm going to learn how to catch a wild piranha. Let's go. So once we found the right spot in the river, Romario, our guide, showed us how it's done. And this is what they look like. Okay, so how do you do it? You take a hook like this, you put some meat on it like this, the line is attached to a bamboo stick, we make these movements in the water with the stick, so the piranhas think there is another animal swimming and they will come to check it out and see if they can catch it and eat it. That noise you can hear in the back are howler monkeys in the nearby trees. Within just a few minutes you can feel the piranha tugging. Then you have to pull up the line quickly and at the right moment. That's the key. Sometimes they eat the bait before you can pull them up and the hook comes back with nothing on it. After a while I finally got one.
It's a nice size one too.
Yeah.
Yay!
I caught one. Is this a black one?
It's the red.
This is red. Okay, that's why it's red.
Yeah. All the fish that we caught. So that one's black or red?
Red.
Red, black, red,
White.
white. Time to head back to the lodge and eat them. It was so good. You can find the rest of my Amazon rainforest series in my Amazon playlist. Next, I'll be going to a completely different environment. See you there.